So it can be difficult sometimes to get springs on your trampoline, whether you're taking it down and trying to remove the spring or putting it up and trying to put the spring on. But here's a quick tip you can do. So you link it on the front ring, and instead of trying to pull it with your hand and get it pinched, take another spring, link that onto the spring. Then when you pull, you have two hands. Instead, you're just kind of pulling with one. You link it on the front of the link. That helps you to pull it back, and you can link it over the hook. So you can see if I'm trying to add this spring on here, I can only really pull from the middle. I can't really get my finger in here or else it'll get pinched, and it's really hard to stretch over there. However, if I take another spring, hook it on there, now I have two spots I'm pulling from, and I can easily pull that over. So here's how to do it again. You link it on the front, you hook it through, and now you have two spots to pull from, and you can link it on. And it works the same way for adding and removing. You grab it in the middle, put the hook through the end of the other hook, and now you can pull it. It gives you two ways to hold on to it. You have a force on the hook and in the middle. And you're able to easily add and remove springs. So I hope this little tip helps.